Thank you for joining me on this beautiful morning on house maintenance reviews. Today, we're focusing on a brand new deal I found. Build any shed in a weekend. Even if you have no woodworking experience whatsoever. Within minutes, you can have access to 12,000 shed plans. If you're all about saving money, here's a great site for you to download the plans. And if you're in a hurry, you can get the link in the description now. Plans so complete, they build themselves. Ryan is giving away over 12,000 step-by-step and easy-to-build shed plans. With instructions so precise, they practically build themselves. That's right. Download over 12,000 fully detailed shed plans, and start building your next shed easily and quickly. But you got to act fast because this is a time-sensitive offer. I've been told by Ryan that his special launch price will end in the next few days. So, if you want to build sheds the easier and faster way, then, I urge you to get in while it's cheap. P.S. If you've any interest in shed building, you owe it to yourself to visit his site. You'll get tons of inspiration simply looking at just a couple of his designs. So, go ahead and download them now using the link in the description. But, before you go, remember to subscribe to my channel or sign up on my blog to keep up with amazing new deals. Have a great day everyone and happy building!